In this video, we will know about symptoms and signs of entropion. What are the signs of entropion? The key sign is an inturned eyelid margin. Depending on how severe the inward turning is, entropion can be classified into 3 grades. In grade 1 entropion, the inward turning is minimal. Only the posterior lid border, the part of the eyelid closest to the eyeball, is rolled inward. Patients might experience mild irritation, but the damage is usually limited. In grade 2 entropion, the interning progresses to include the intermarginal strip. This is the area between the eyelid's anterior and posterior borders. At this stage, symptoms like foreign body sensation, irritation, and tearing are more pronounced. And finally, grade 3 entropion is the most severe form. Here, the entire eyelid margin, including the anterior border, is turned inward. This can lead to significant discomfort and increase the risk of corneal abrasions or infections. What are the symptoms of entropion? 1. Foreign body sensation. Misdirected eyelashes rub against the cornea and conjunctiva, creating a constant feeling of something being stuck in the eye. This is due to the abnormal mechanical interaction between the lashes and the sensitive ocular surface. 2. Irritation. The friction caused by inward-facing lashes leads to persistent irritation of the ocular surface, stimulating nerve endings in the cornea and conjunctiva. 3. Pain. Continuous rubbing of the lashes on the cornea, which is densely innervated, triggers pain sensations. The severity of pain increases with deeper abrasions or chronic inflammation. 4. Excessive tearing. Reflex tearing occurs as a protective response by the lacrimal glands to wash away irritants caused by the lashes rubbing against the cornea or conjunctiva. 5. Light sensitivity. Corneal irritation and inflammation make the eye hypersensitive to light, as the affected nerves in the cornea amplify their response to stimuli.
Subscribe Smart Optometry for more video like this.